Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Unity Day. National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, is celebrated in India on October 31st every year. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a pivotal role in integrating the princely states into the newly independent Indian Union after the British colonial rule ended in 1947. The main objective of observing National Unity Day is to promote unity, integrity, and security of the nation. As a part of the celebration, the Run for Unity event is organized in various parts of the country. Sardar Patel is fondly remembered as the Iron Man of India because of his strong-willed approach in integrating the 562 princely states into the Indian Union. To honor his contributions, the State of Unity was unveiled in 2018 in the state of Gujarat. This statue is the world's tallest statue and serves as a major tourist attraction symbolizing India's unity. National Unity Day serves as a reminder to citizens about the importance of national unity and the need to work collectively for the country's progress. It is a significant observance that emphasizes the importance of unity in a diverse country like India and recognizes the efforts of Sardar Patel in ensuring that the nation remained united post-independence.